Hello, 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 hello. Okay, so we have two viewers with us. Who are they? Please, chat is all yours, guys. Please, please. তো আজকে আমরা বেসিক্যালি একটা র্যান্ডম প্রজেক্ট করতে চলেছি, ঠিক আছে? ইটস আ র্যান্ডম প্রজেক্ট, ওকে? লাইক নো প্রি প্ল্যানিং, নাথিং. I just thought of making like a. Wait a minute. Yes. Okay. So the audio is coming clear. Okay. Good. So today I'll just make a random project. Okay. I think you people have heard about the Google I/O 2024. Google I/O 2024. I think you people have heard about this Google I/O. This took place a couple of days ago, on 14th of May. Okay. And today we are going to check out the new features, and also I'm planning to build a very Gen Z specific web app, like very Gen Z specific web app. I think you must have heard about it. There's a uh, application called NGL. Okay. NGL stands for not gonna lie. Okay. So I means did not know that there was a full form of NGL. It's not gonna lie. So this is the website basically. We will not make the landing page. This is the landing page what we are seeing. Okay, wait, let me change the scene. Yes, okay, I think the scene is changed. Okay, yeah, cool. So this is basically the landing page of the site. NGL, not gonna lie, stands for not gonna lie. So what does this do? For those of you who don't know what is NGL, NGL is basically a anonymous messaging app or anonymous confession app which people use, specifically Gen Z people use to like chat around or to do shit stuffs. Okay, I probably should not tell it shit stuff, but it's, yeah, you can understand, it's very much not a very useful case. Means this app is not very useful. NGL is not a useful app. Okay, rather it's what to say, it's a very Gen Z specific application. Like what Gen Z's do these days, like um, I specifically don't have that word, but in Bengali we call it ছেলে খেলা. তো তো এটা ছেলে খেলার অ্যাপ্লিকেশন, ঠিক আছে? তো let's first understand how can we build a app like NGL. Okay, just a minute, call from my mother. Just a moment, guys. Very sorry for the interruption. Just a moment. I need 1 minute. Just a minute. Okay, so sorry for the interruption. Yeah, so let's understand that how these anonymous, so-called anonymous message apps or anonymous confession apps work. Okay, let me fire up eraser. Okay, let's understand first, okay, that how these things work. Basically these are a very straightforward systems, like they don't require a lot of, wait a minute, I want my team, yeah, this one. Okay, okay, yes, okay. So this is the user, this, suppose this is you, user, okay, this is you. You have been given, suppose you have a app called ngl. Okay, this is your app ngl. Okay, this is the app, this is the app ngl. Okay, let me center it. Okay, this is the app ngl, and you have a big panel, you have a big panel like, what is the question to be asked. Okay, so this is the big panel, what is the question to be asked, and there is a text box, a text input given here, that suppose enter your question here. Okay, so enter your question here, and then uh, generate button. Okay, this is a generate button. This will, when you will click this button, you will be redirect, you will be given this, after clicking this button. Okay, after clicking this button will take you to a specific page, a specific page which will be having like this, like this, that, wait, yep, okay, yeah, so this is your url for receiving anonymous, is the spelling right? I hope so. Yeah, yeah, it's all right. Okay, so this will, like this, it will show that this is a this is your url for receiving anonymous message, and just below it you will receive, you will get a, url, suppose https colon forward slash ngl dot confession dot link slash, suppose your name user one. Okay, so this is actually a random a random url that will be generated when you click this generate button. So what this is going to do is, this is, we will be first making this a front end, a specific front end. Wait a minute. Okay, yes, so we will be making a specific front end, okay, which will be having some, a box with your question here. Okay, your question here, user question, user question. Okay, and this will be a place, a text box, post your answer. This will be post your answer here. Okay, and there will be a button mentioning send your answer. Okay, so this is basically what we are going to do, and what is the main catch over here is, you user, you being the user, when you like go to this uh, this front end, okay, this ngl front end, after that, this ngl front end, you click on generate, it generates a link. This link takes you to this link takes you to this page. Okay, this link to this page. Now what we are going to do here is, this is the main thing. Okay, this this is the main part. Okay, this does not need a very specific, a very session specific thing. Like, yeah, we will be adding authentication here. Okay, auth here. Okay, auth will be added here for managing the session. Okay, for managing the session. And what this is going to do is, every user, every registered user will have his or her own URL. His or her, okay, never mind, my her did not show up. Please don't comment any, uh, never mind, nothing. Okay, I was just joking. Okay, never mind. Okay, so this URL is very session specific. This URL needs to be very session specific. Okay, because this front end cannot be same for all the users. Because if suppose I am creating a confession URL, and then you are clicking on it, and for some reason, suppose my name is Ognivo. Okay, no, my name is actually Ognivo, not suppose. My name is Ognivo. Now here with you Ognivo, here with you Ankit Ghosh. Let's start code. Okay, okay, hello Ankit, thank you for joining the stream. Okay, so what we will be doing here is, so suppose this is Ognibo and another friend of mine, Ankit. Okay, he just joined the stream. Okay, shout out to Ankit. Okay, so suppose I have generated this link, and my friend Ankit also has an account on NGL, or the thing which we will be building. Suppose it's called NGL. We can name it IRL in real life. Means it's not a very good name. It's a very bad name. But like, for like, I want to keep some Gen Z specific names. Okay, let us search some Gen Z specific words and phrases. Yes. Okay, Gen Z slangs. Nice. Let's see what are the Gen Z specs. Okay, FOMO. Yeah, FOMO is a good idea. Yes, FOMO. Let's keep the name FOMO. Okay, no NGL. Let's keep our app's name as FOMO. Okay, our app's name is FOMO. Okay, so yeah, Ognivo, myself and my friend Ankit, both of them have an account on FOMO. Okay, our app. So this FOMO, if we don't make this specific front end user or session specific, okay, session specific, first hurdle which we will be getting is a what to say, uh, resource hurdle, okay, resource allocation hurdle, because this this might be deployed in future, this might be deployed in some scalable cloud system, but for now we will be making it local, okay. So for making it local, we need to have some what to say, some uh, distributive thread method. Like we cannot run this and this on the same thread, right? uh, if you don't understand, feel free to just mention it in the chat. I'll try to explain it, okay. We cannot run this, okay, this is a front end and this is another front end. We cannot run both of them at the same place, same time, and on the same thread, okay, because this also needs a bit of resource to get the message from the server, and this also needs a bit of resource to post the message which you are sending to the server, okay. Now coming to the title of my stream today, we will be using a serverless backend. So what is a serverless backend? I won't be writing any server code, okay. The server will be totally or rather the backend will be totally managed by backend as a service, BAS. So what BAS are we using today? We are using Google's Firebase, okay. Don't judge me, I'm not very proficient in Firebase. I will have to see a lot of documentations. I will get a lot of error. Okay. So let's start building. Uh, but firstly, let us go to firebase.google.com. Okay. Firebase. Okay. Yeah, firebase.google.com. I don't know why it did not open. Never mind. Okay, so this is the new logo. I like the new logo kinda. Let's go to the console. Oh, this is a very easy process, okay, to make a Firebase account. It's very straightforward. Just go to go to the fire this URL firebase.google.com. Click on create an account, create a new account. Bus, that's it. Okay, so let's make a new project. Keep a project name. Okay, what shall keep we? Acha, FOMO. Yes, FOMO. Okay, FOMO app. Okay, FOMO app is taken. FOMO app 2024. Okay, nice. This is our project ID. Okay, continue. Let's use the default Firebase account. Yes. Okay. Now it's creating our application. In the meantime, let's configure a Next.js application. Wait a minute. Okay, see, fuck, I forgot the mk directory. FOMO, cd FOMO. Okay, and what was npx create next app at latest FOMO. I hope this is right. Yes. Yes, we want TypeScript, we want ESLint, we want Tailwind, no source directory. Yes, we want the app router, no import alias. Okay, let's continue. Now I have to see a bit of code. I need to see, because wait a minute, let me fire up Gemini, or else this is a very good thing, okay. I would highly recommend you people doing this, because this helps me a lot. Just go to GCP, it's Google Cloud Platform. Go to GCP. This Vertex AI is amazing. Okay, this is literally amazing. Uh, I'll be using the Gemini 1.5. Okay, this is the recent Gemini uh, this is the recent Gemini uh, rollout from. Yes, okay. So let us ask him that how to connect Firebase to a Next.js app. Let us search. Okay. See, it's giving us the whole thing so easily. Like, this is the best thing. Means, okay, okay, okay. Use Firebase in your Next.js component. Okay, I understood. Okay. 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 Fine. Cool. Is our Next.js app ready? Okay. Yes. CD. No, no. Let's do code. Okay. Is our Firebase app ready? Yes. FOMO is good to go. Let's. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Okay. FOMO. Those who are currently watching my stream, just I would highly recommend you to click a like button. Okay. And I would also urge you to chat with me, because that would be very much helpful. There will be a lot of bounties also, like uh, solving issues. If I okay, if you're already using npm and a module bundler, you can run the following commands. Okay, okay. We have to see a lot of docs. Okay, guys, today. কেমন আছিস ভাই? I am good actually. আমি ভালো আছি, মানে আমি সিরিয়াসলি ভালো আছি, not gonna lie, seriously ভালো আছি. Okay. I'm also becoming like a not a teenager, a Gen Z person. Wait, utils. এখানে আমাকে সেট আপ করতে firebase.ts. Okay. Firebase.ts. Okay. mm, hmm. Firebase কি নিয়ে dude? Okay. Firebase. What is Firebase? Firebase is a backend as a service. Firebase হচ্ছে কি করে বোঝাই আমি Firebase কি? Firebase কি আমি কি করে বোঝাই? Wait a minute. I have to. Where is my eraser? Okay, I'm on eraser. Shit. Okay, so Firebase. The handwriting is terrible, but still. Firebase. Firebase is a backend as a service, basically. You don't need a proprietary server to run your uh, applications on. You can directly run your application on Firebase. Firebase has a lot of wait, yes, see, Firebase has a lot of tools which you can use, like starting from building. This is the app check, this is the app tester basically. Okay, so this is the app tester. Okay, this is the app hosting. This is first time in the history of Firebase, that they are using uh, app hosting. This is a very new thing. Okay, this is a very new thing. I'm also excited to use it because this is a full stack app deployment environment, just like Vercel, but Vercel is a bit easier. This is the data connect. This is the first Postgres enabled uh, database for Firebase. This is also an amazing tool to be used, and a lot of tools are there. Just start of coding. After that, we'll deal with all these things. Okay, project settings. Yes. First, we need to do npm install Firebase. Terminal. Let it install. Just a minute, guys. I let it install. I'm bringing my bottle of water because it's too much hot over here. Okay. Yes, I'm back, guys. Let me close the door. Okay. Yes. So let's configure it. Let's see what this has to say. Okay. Install Firebase on your Next.js project. Create a Firebase initialization file. Okay. 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 So let's copy these. Okay, no. I think we'll be having here everything. Yes, we have it here. Okay. Just copy this. Okay. So we have successfully initialized our app. Okay. So we have successfully initialized our app. Now what it's saying to do. Okay. Okay. So first we'll be dealing with our authentication. Okay, we'll be using Firebase authentication. So let's go Firebase authentication. Get started. Okay, first just let me check one thing. Let me go to page.tsx. Let me remove everything. Import. Oh, let us to use client. Okay. uh, Export const page return page. Okay. Okay. Yes, it's done. Okay, successfully done. So can do one thing. Okay. Let us do a I basically wanted a Instagram Instagram authentication. If I could get an Instagram authentication. I think we have to go with Google authentication. Never mind. Okay. Google authentication is done. No Instagram authentication, sadly. I think they don't reveal the. I think they don't reveal the API key for Instagram. I don't know why. Maybe like that. Okay, we are done with Google authentication. Okay, add it. Okay, navigate to your project. Enable this one. Okay, reusable component. Create a reusable component. Okay, use the component on your Next.js page. Okay, other contents on your site. Okay, use the auth state hook to manage the user sessions. Okay, okay, got it. Yes, let me turn on the fan for a bit. It's very hot over here. Okay, I got it. Okay, so what we have to do right now is, first though, we have to style our authentication page for a bit. Okay, wait a minute. If loading this one, if error this, if user is authenticated, then welcome to this. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, got it. No, for a change we are doing this part. Okay, after that we will be enabling other things also. Okay, so just a minute, because this is not like conventional clerk authentication, that first you are using a middleware hook, after that you are just redirecting the user to the specific mentioned dashboard. Okay, so not like that, this is not like that. Okay, let us make a components folder, make a reusable component. Just straight away copy all these. This is the best part of Gemini 1.5. It codes really well, like really well. It codes really well. Okay, so we got our reusable component. Now what we need to do is we need to do this one. Okay, so we need to return basically div, we need to return Google auth provider. No, Google Goj auth, it became Goj auth, literal Goj auth. Yes, the Goj auth is done. Okay. Now we need to uh, okay. We need to use auth state provider. Okay, const, no, not use state, use auth state. Okay. Loading state, error state, user authentified state. dot state does not exist. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Yep. Okay. Nice one. This is a good example actually. ওয়াও, দুজন দেখছে, কে কে দেখছে প্লিজ, প্লিজ প্লিজ চ্যাটে জানাও প্লিজ। কারণ কি আমি এখন একটুখানি কোডের মধ্যে একটুখানি ডুবে আছি, তো একটু চ্যাটটাতে জানালে ভালো লাগে। কে কে দেখছো চ্যাটে একটু জানাও। ওকে, সো ইউজার বলে কিছু নেই, আছে এটা কি? জাস্ট ওয়েলকাম করে দেখি একবার কি আসছে। জাস্ট জাস্ট ট্রাইং আউট, ওকে, জাস্ট ট্রাইং আউট। Use reducer only works with client components. Okay. Okay. Think this should work. লোডিং স্টেটেতেই রয়ে গেছে। ওকে, এরর লোডিং রিট্রিভ করতে পারছি না ফর সাম রিজন, বাট ইটস গোয়িং অল রাইট। ওকে, আমরা একটা জিনিস বুঝে গেলাম যে হ্যাঁ, ইটস ওয়ার্কিং। সাম এরর, লোডিং স্টেটে আটকে বসে আছে। আমরা এইখানে দেখলে বুঝতে পারবো যে আমাদের এখানে কোনো ইউজার এসছে কিনা। ওকে, সো ইউজার ইজ দেয়ার। ওকে, আমাদের ইউজার এখানে সাইন ইন হয়ে গেছে। স্টিল ওখানে, স্টিল এখানে লোডিং স্টেট। আমার যে ইউজারটা নিতে পারছে না, মানে ও লাইক এখনো পর্যন্ত আমাদের সাথে কানেক্টেডই আছে। ইট ইজ দ্য ইস্যু। ওকে, জাস্ট আ মিনিট। বাট আমার অ্যাপেতে আমি সাইন ইন হয়ে গেছি। ফর সাম রিজন ইয়েতে আসছে না, বাট কেন আসছে না সেটাই হচ্ছে কথা। এনিওয়েজ, it's already 4:30. Okay, it's 4:30. I really have to go. Okay, I really have to go because I have another work to do. Okay, so this is the backend of how this use auth state uh, function is working. The callback, how the callback is working, it's the backstage of it actually. Okay, so I have to end the stream right now. Thank you for joining. Those who joined, a big thumbs up to them. Tomorrow same time we'll start again with this FOMO app. Okay, so yep, bye bye, see ya.